This is Hans, the Ramen Ranger, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came out of an Common Noodles box. You can go to Myojo, spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Get a rad box. This is Myojo Ippeichan, and it's a new variety, as you can see by the, there? New, see? And the name of it's in the title. I haven't even gotten all the scans, and yeah, I haven't done all the stuff yet, so that will happen. But anyways, yeah, what's shaking? It's today, and we are cooking. So let's put this. Actually, we're steeping right now. Here's the noodle block and the steepables in there, and this goes for 3 minutes. There we go. But yeah, still sick. The next episode of the show is going to be something that I do that is perfect for if you're feeling under the weather. So keep an eye out for that. Something I thoroughly enjoy when I don't feel well. This sounds pretty good though. I do like Yakisoba. But the next thing I'm doing is a little different. So you will have to wait and see on tomorrow's show. The weather got nice. Oh, we had the Aurora Borealis on Friday. As much as there's like, now it's like every day, all you see, it's Tuesday. Where can you see the Aurora on Tuesday? It's like, you really can't here. It was funny. So it happened on Friday, and it was like around 11 p.m. Now, I could even see it with my blind ass, right? Well, and that was cool. So I got all my stuff ready, and they said it was going to happen on the following night. So I'm like, okay. And it didn't. And I guess there were just like people all over the place camped out, ready to watch it. And they were all very, very, very much disappointed because they didn't get to see it either. So, yeah. Now they're saying it's between, now they're saying it's going to be after midnight. Well, now they're saying it's going to be after 2 a.m. 2 to 5 a.m. No. And there was so much, like, reposted. I like to go over to Twitter, X, and look at people's excretions. They're not tweets anymore, they're excretions. And, yeah, so people were reposting stuff, like there was a guy flying in an airplane and took video of it. It's going on no matter what, somewhere, but generally it's way north. So, but it was neat. I hadn't seen it since I was a kid. We saw it back when the movie E.T. came out. We came home and it was in the sky, which was pretty neat. So, yeah, went and saw E.T. at the theater with my family when I was a kid. So I'm guessing that 83, 84, 82? I don't know. That was a long time ago. So it's been like 42 years since I'd seen it. Did I take a picture? I tried, but it didn't save any. I don't know what the deal was, but no, I didn't get any good pictures. Sucks. My wife did, but what I really wanted was video, and what I should have just done immediately was grab my tripod, grab my setup, put it in pro video mode, and started shooting. But nope. My sister lives north in Anacortes, and she got great pictures because up there it's pretty mellow. Down here it's not so mellow. So with this one, I'm gonna, well, how should I do this? See, because this not only has yakisoba. Oh, really? Is this a clear one? This is like a Shio yakisoba, isn't it? Is this like nighttime Shio yakisoba? I think it is. That's what it kind of is giving me from the packaging. And this is probably a shichimi. Yeah, some kind of spicy little number there. But then there's the mayo that goes on top, and I don't want to like put the mayo on this and just stir it up. I want to make it look pretty. So what we're gonna do, whoa. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna garnish it and everything and go take the pretty pictures and then come back and I'll give it a try for you. You like that, right? Oh, I think you do. There we go. So here is our noodle, our yakisoba. What I put on it, that little sachet, I think that was green labor. So now it reeks of seaweed in here. There we go. And we're gonna add egg. There's an egg. That's what they call that. You don't need to scrapbook it. That would be kind of weird. Some spring onion. Not a lot. I opened it up too much. This just smells like Kewpie mayo. Yeah. It's alright. Okay. Some sesame seed. I think we're good. I could offset it now.
Yeah, look at that. Rotating platform.
Alright, time to take the pretty pictures. Let's go do that. So the first shot I take is a thumbnail shot for YouTube. Then I take the overhead shot for the finished image for www.theramenegg.com. So there we are. Got some yakisoba to give it a try. And it's very hard to eat on a rotating platform, but so here we are. Cheers. This is really quite good. It does have that element of seaweed that I'm getting off of it. I do like that. The mayo adds a lot to it. Let's try it without it. Yep. Mayo adds a lot to it. This is good stuff. Yeah. All right. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Have a good one, and bye-bye.